Bonjour! Hi everyone, I'm so glad to see you today. And today I'm here to talk with you about the things you probably know or think about French people. First, French people are rude. Salut, ça va? Tout bas, je suis là. Ouais, c'est vrai que Au revoir! French people are smelly. French King Louis XIV was afraid of taking baths because, as he said, the water spread disease. So he refused to take baths. He used lots and lots of perfumes and he spread petals of flowers all around Versailles. That's it for the origins, right? But we usually take baths actually. French people wear striped shirts. The marinière was part of the French Navy sailor's uniform. Sorry, I'm going to take my glasses. Yeah. Then the famous French creator Jean-Paul Gaultier used the striped shirts in his creations during the 80s. French people wear beret. I don't have any, so... This cliché takes its origins during the middle 18th century. Some Frenchmen came to the UK to sell their onions from Bretagne, which is in the northern France. And lots of Bretons, Frenchmen from Bretagne, were called Yann, which is Jean in French and John in English. And that's why English people used to call them onion Johnnies, because we wore berets in Bretagne. I don't know about this, okay? I just know that onion Johnnies were striped shirts and beret. Yeah. French fries come from France. Come from France. No. French people always say no. Despite its name, French fries come from Belgium. During the World War I, American soldiers were the first to taste French fries while they were in Belgium. In fact, the Belgian army's official language was French. And that's why these American soldiers used to nickname the French fries French fries. La baguette. Okay, this one's true. Not every, but most of the French families eat bread every day. My father and I never went back home after work or school without a baguette. And I can't imagine a meal without a piece of bread. Like, never. This point comes with the fact that French people always eat smelly cheese. I don't know about other cultures in other countries, but it's true that French people usually go to their fromagerie. We don't eat desserts at every meal, but I mean, we always eat cheese. I personally hate camembert, which is the smelly cheese. But here is a list of the different kinds of cheese that I just love. And I don't think you could find better cheese in any other country. We always drink wine. I don't. No? Okay. We usually like to find the wine which match perfectly with the food we eat. But not me. No? What is a French breakfast? This is what I eat for breakfast. So for you, French girls are pretty but they don't shave under their arms. You have to stop with this idea. French girls, like every girls in the world, have to shave only if they want to. Every French girls I know shave themselves. Okay, strange to talk about that. The French kiss. I'm not sure about this theory, but okay. Its origins may be Roman and it's called Sevium. Anyway, we don't care. When the GI came in France, it seems that they were like shocked by our sexual practices, which were more adventurous. And back to the US, they usually said you have to be kissed by a French girl, which became you have to get a French kiss. That's it guys for these French clichés. I hope it was interesting for you, so please leave me some comments if you know other French cliché, I don't know. Au revoir!